You fell asleep and then, well, you fell asleep and then you pretty much, you came in here with me, fell asleep and then you just passed out.
What are you talking about, Leona? I don't remember anything. I don't remember anything. Tell me what's going on.
Oh, you pretty much just passed out after I brought you here.
Where am I?
Herobrine's castle. What are you talking about? Your father's castle.
What? I'm not Herobrine's daughter. You know that, right?
What are you talking about? You know that you're his daughter.
What? I don't know anything about this place. Why did you even... Come on, Leona. Just go. Huh? What are you... Okay. Let me look around here.
This is your little sister's room. She used to be here until, you left the castle. Go live a normal life. A regular life.
Oh. Oh, wow.
She killed herself after you left.
Wait, what? I had a sister I never met, that I haven't seen in like forever. She killed herself after I left. I should not have left then. Oh my god. What are these books? Wait. What is it? Let me read this. My big sister is left today. I'm sad. I'm lonely. Dad hasn't been acting like himself lately. His eyes have been going white more often than usual. He has been acting super weird. He never, he left me here to die. He didn't take me with him when he went to search for my sister. Day 3. Dad hasn't come home for 19 days. Oh, wow. I'm starting to get worried. Really worried. Day 999. I got a pink slip that said, my father is dead. What was that sound? I found a knife in the kitchen. Nothing else has really been happening now that I'm all alone. I can't find anything else here. So I'm going to kill myself. Stay away. Huh? I don't want to touch that book. Come on, we have to grab everything from here and leave. Come on, Leona. Is this supposed to be my room? Oh.
Oh!
I'm gonna help you guys get free, don't worry. Let me get out of here. Have to get out of here. You guys can all Wait, how did you guys get down here so fast?
Did I tell you? We can all teleport after we went in here.
Oh my god. Like magics or something? Let's just go. Is this?
This was your old study room. You pretty much studied here with your old friend Lucinda.
Listen to you?
Lucinda, she used to be your friend. Till you left here.
Oh wow.
And there is Zoe.
Oh. Wow, Leona. Okay. Maybe I'll stay out of there. What is this?
Here lies Pinkie Pie.
Who's Pinkie Pie?
Your sister's pet cat. She was a rude cat. I killed her.
Oh my god, Luke. Oh my god, oh my god. I'm so sorry, so sorry. Let me heal you. There you go. So, yeah, you killed the cat.
What do you expect? I'm a dog. I hate cats. She was a really rude cat anyways. She was mean to you.
Oh. Well, then that's fine, I guess. Wow. Is this all the art I did? What? What is this place?
This was your old school. Your teacher was a creeper. She used to stalk your dad. She killed herself after she found out he married someone.
Oh wow. This world's dark.
Yeah, really, really dark, isn't it? I hope you find a way out of this loving house.
What? Why can't you come with me? You guys can teleport, can't you?
We can teleport, but only around this dimension.
Wait, dimension?
Yeah, dimension. You're a daughter of a great powerful being.
So, this place is... Yeah, okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. This place just can't be. It can't be my home. Can it?
It has to be your home.
That is the end of this roleplay, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. This is actually called the still haven't come up for a name. This will be the Truth Be Told. That's what it's called. Truth Be Told, episode 2 will be released one day.
Yeah, so keep a lookout and please don't, kill yourself like your sister did.
Oh my god, Leona, please shut up. It's just a roleplay. It's not real, okay? Wait, you're Leona.
Yeah, why you can't see me? Can't see me? Huh?
Oh god. Okay, so that is the end of this video. Goodbye. damn bad.